In a quaint village nestled between rolling hills lived a young woman named Pooja. Pooja was known for her boundless curiosity and a heart full of dreams. She spent her days wandering through the meadows, gazing up at the vast sky and wondering about the world beyond her village. One day, as she was sitting on a grassy knoll watching the clouds drift by, an old woman named Kamala approached her. She was known in the village as a wise sage, a woman who had seen many years and had stories to tell. "Ah, Pooja," Kamala said with a warm smile. "I see you pondering the mysteries of the sky again." Pooja grinned. "Yes, Kamala, I often wonder what lies beyond these hills and fields." Kamala nodded knowingly. "You know, my dear, I've heard tales of a grand city beyond the distant mountains, a place of wonders where dreams come to life and destinies unfold." Pooja's eyes sparkled with excitement. "A grand city? That sounds amazing. But how can one reach there?" Kamala chuckled softly. "Well, that's the thing, Pooja. The journey to that city is not an ordinary one. It's said that to embark on that journey, you must listen to your heart's calling. It's as if God has a plane for you, a path designed just for you." Pooja's heart raced. The idea of a unique path meant for her ignited a fire within her. From that moment on, she couldn't shake the notion of embarking on this extraordinary journey. Over the months, Pooja prepared herself mentally and physically. She learned skills from the village elders, gathered supplies, and bid farewell to her loved ones. With determination blazing in her eyes, she set out on her journey towards the distant mountains, her heart brimming with hope. The path was arduous, filled with challenges she had never encountered before. Yet each trial only fueled her resolve. She met fellow travelers along the way, each with their own unique reasons for seeking the grand city. Some sought knowledge, some sought love, and some sought healing. But despite their diverse motives, they all shared a common thread, the belief that their journeys were guided by a higher purpose. As she traversed through thick forests, crossed raging rivers, and climbed towering cliffs, Pooja discovered a strength within herself that she had never known existed. She faced her fears head-on and learned to rely on her intuition and instincts. Along the way, she formed deep bonds with her fellow travelers, who became her companions, mentors, and friends. Finally, after a long and challenging journey, they reached the base of the towering mountains that guarded the grand city. The sight was breathtaking. The city's spires seemed to touch the heavens themselves. As they began the ascent, Pooja realized that the path up the mountains was unlike any they had encountered before. It was steep and winding, a true test of their determination and faith. As they reached the city's gates, their hearts swelled with a sense of accomplishment. The city was everything they had imagined, a place of vibrant colors, bustling streets, and a sense of wonder that hung in the air. Each traveler went their own way, following the unique paths that had brought them here. Pooja wandered the streets, taking in the sights and sounds. She felt a profound sense of gratitude for the journey she had undertaken. As she gazed up at the sky, she realized that while she had reached the grand city, her journey was far from over. The path she had followed had brought her to a new beginning, a world of endless possibilities. And so Pooja embraced her new life in the grand city, knowing that she was exactly where she was meant to be. She had learned that the journey itself was a gift, and that God indeed had a plan for her, one that was written in the stars and etched in her heart.